Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Villa Marian Function Garden. This is the wedding of Richard and Raquel. And I am host Mel, your MC for this event. Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and before we start, marinig naman po ako ng inyong malakas na palakpakan, sabayan nila na malakas na sigawan! And of course, kailangan ko i-check ang attendance ng mga bisita natin ngayong hapon. Nandito na ba ang mga mag-anak ni Richard mula sa Cesar and Floresca families? Alright! How about the relatives of Richard mula sa Vidal at Rosalada families? Pipito. Again, Vidal at Rosalada families. Okay, dumami-dami na lang konti. Alright? Check naman natin ang kamag-anak ng ating nobya mula sa Felices and Taduran families. Yes, at syempre, malakas na palakpakan ng sigawan mula sa Sabio at Fasistol families. Fasistol and Sabio families, mag-ingay! Alright, of course, syempre, lalakasan din ang palakpakan ng sigawan ng mga kaibigan at katrabaho ni Richard at ni Raquel! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sabi ko nga, nandito na ang ating newlywed couple. Give us 15 minutes, then we will begin the program proper. Meanwhile, to kill the time and to be entertained, magpapalaro muna po ang inyong likod. And we will call this game, Guess the Title of the TV Show, Guess the Title of the Teleserye, and of course, the Ninangs and Ninongs can participate. Guess the title of that anime, and guess the title of that popular song from the 80s, 90s, and year 2000. And I'm very sure that all of the generations present here, from the baby boomer, from the Generation X, from the millennials and post-millennials, can relate to the soundtrack na inyo pong maririnig. At syempre, if you know the answer, just raise your hand at lalapitan ko kayo. And kapag tamang inyong kasagutan, ito po ang inyong maririnig. At syempre, pag mali naman po ang inyong kasagutan, ito naman po ang inyong maririnig. Okay, let's start. By the way, ang mapapanalunan nyo po ay cash. Cash ang ipamimigay ni Richard at Raquel. So mag-participate. I'm very sorry, bawal ang mga bata. Okay? Adult lang ang sasagot. DJ, give me music number 1. Okay, soundtrack ng anong palabas yan? Okay, nauna. Sige ma'am. Please stand po, tayo. Okay, and give me your name. What is your name?
Alma.
Alma, what is your answer?
Home Along the Riles.
Home Along the Riles dahil si Richard ay taga? Home Along the Riles is? Okay, paghirapan mo ang inyong